What's up? What's going on, guys? This is Diane. Welcome to Tech with Diane. If you are new in this channel, please consider subscribe. In this video today, I'm going to create a series which is going to specifically teach you everything you need to know how to create Django e-commerce website. We will use Django to build a backend, and we'll also apply how you can generate some of the codes from AI like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and others. So let's get started. To begin with, I have so far prepared a simple project called Tutor Track, and I have a virtual environment called VNV, and that's just all I have here. And I'm going to, if you're new here, if you go some of my videos, you can see how I can how I created the virtual environment in one of the videos. You can click here and check how you can create virtual environment. Also, if you don't know how to start a Django project, check one of my videos how you can start Django project. So let's get started. I have a virtual environment that I have for the project called VNV, and my project is in directory of Tech with Diane, and inside I have the manage Pi file, then I have the project file, and then I have the virtual environment file. So I'm going to create an app that we call e-commerce, where we're going to create all our models for associated with the product. So let me just create the app. Simple. To create an app in Django, you just need to start with write the Pi. You write the command Python manage.py start app, and you give the app name. For our case, we're going to call it. For our case, we're going to call it e-commerce. Should I call it app? You can call it e-commerce app, e-commerce main. Let me just call it main. And you can see if I list all my apps, then I have an e-commerce main app. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is to go and register that app in my setting files, which is the app which is created, e-commerce main. I want to go back to my setting files and register that app in my Python files. So if I come here to register an app, then you want to add into the list of the apps that are installed here. So to register an app, what you do, you need to add the name of the app. So for my case, I'm going to include in the list of apps installed, which is e-commerce. I call it e-commerce main. So I've so far added the name of the app, but I need to go to the URL path, then include that path of the app, which is path I need to include it. Wait in a moment. I'm just going to import that app, which is e-commerce main e-commerce main dot URLs. Then I'm going to make sure I include include here so that it works here. So I have added the path to the main app that I created here to my URLs patterns of the project, which is here. The project is Tutor Track and the app is there. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can create the models that to get started with building the product model. things like the title, the price of the product, the images of the product, and others. So if you are new in this channel, please consider to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.